Hello everyone, we've just been contacted by a brother from Zambia who has this pocket Wi-Fi device which you can see on the screen. It's currently network locked and only a Liquid network SIM works in it. Now our friend wants to use all networks on it. He told us he's had it for quite a while and has asked around in many markets to get it unlocked. No luck. Eventually he found our video on YouTube and reached out to us. He asked us to unlock his device for all networks. We said absolutely, we can unlock it. So right now we're connected remotely via AnyDesk to his computer and we're going to unlock the device online. We'll need to install some software, so that might take a bit of time, but I'll keep the video a bit fast because I value your time. Flashing has started now. Just to note, friends, our service is fully online and we charge a small fee which you can pay via Airtel or MTN mobile money, and you can get your device unlocked from home. This video is proof that this can be done online. The flashing is happening using a computer or a laptop. If you also want to unlock any Wi-Fi device or router online, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is on the screen. This is a professional service, so no need to worry. Now friends, the flashing is complete. You can see that the same Wi-Fi device is now working with the MTN network SIM. We can now use this device on any network. This is the same device that was showing a network lock earlier and is now fully unlocked and supports all networks. I hope you liked our service. If you want to stay updated in the world of 4G and 5G, subscribe to our channel. Stay connected. You'll keep getting new software unlocking videos and updates. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you again with another Wi-Fi device. For now, allow us to leave. Keep us in your prayers. Goodbye.